Hello everyone, this is the React Native beginner series. In this video, I want to talk about the switch component in React Native. Switch component is React Native built-in component. It take a Boolean value. So let's start with the practical. So this is now I'm showing. Let's wait a minute. Just opening my screen. So this is our home screen, and in there, first of all, we can define our state for the switch component, like is switch on, set is switch on. By default, we take a false value and just come here and switch. You should import your switch from the React Native, and now if you see, we have a switch component in there, but we don't have now you can see we have a switch component in here, but we haven't defined any value, any color to them. So just define the value. By default, value is false, so it only show the false value. If I change my state value, see it change it to the true value. And now let's on value change. On value change is take a callback functions. So just value and just set switch on value. So now we can off on. So we have a disable props also. So if true the disable, so it cannot be changed. See, not the on press is not working. And we have another props like a track color. Track color only working in Android, but it's not working in iOS. So let's see, is switch. If the switch is true, so it should red. If it's false, black. So let's see, it's only working in Android. For the iOS, we have iOS background color, so it can take change the iOS background color. We have for the iOS only iOS background color. See, so we have another props of the switch component, so that is thumb color. We can change our thumb color, the whole thumb color. I will define the red. See, our thumb color is our thumb color is changed to the red. So now I have for the iOS, we have iOS background color. We can change it to the yellow. If I change the and you also can print your status of the your state. So is switch dot to string, just see if I false true. So this is the switch component in React Native, and see you another video. Bye bye for today.